So imagine you have some money that's, let's say, a little shady. Maybe it's from some creative accounting, unauthorized redistribution of wealth, or your cousin Vinny's totally legit casino, or you're just really passionate about not paying taxes. Whatever your hustle, you now have a problem. This money is dirty. No, not dropped in a puddle dirty. This is the kind of will land you in prison if you try to spend it at Walmart dirty. And if you used it, someone like, say, the FBI might get curious. Money laundering. The process of giving your filthy cash a metaphorical bubble bath and a new identity. Step 1. Placement. Hide your money. This is where you try to sneak the sketchy cash into the real financial system. It's like smuggling a raccoon into a dinner party and hoping no one notices the screaming. You might break up the cash and deposit it in small amounts, because nothing screams innocence like 47 consecutive deposits of $9,999. Open a cash-heavy business like a car wash or the world's most profitable lemonade stand. Stuff it into slot machines, then cash out and be like, wow, I'm just really, really lucky. You're just trying to make it look normal. Because banks, you see, tend to get suspicious when someone strolls in with a suitcase full of 20s, smelling faintly of panic. Step 2. Layering. Confuse the living daylights out of everyone. Now you need to make it hard to trace where the money came from. This is the financial version of Catch Me If You Can meets a blender set on chaos. Here's where you transfer money between 37 accounts, 12 countries, and 6 fake companies all owned by your cat. Maybe even PayPaling yourself 400 times under fake names like Derek Banana Hands. Buy a yacht in Panama, sell it in Dubai, rent a panda in Singapore, convert it into cryptocurrency, then back, then into goat futures, then into NFTs of goats wearing monocles. Create a shell company called Totally Legal Imports and Exports LLC and make fake invoices for premium air or consulting. This stage is meant to dazzle, distract, and deeply confuse anyone who tries to figure out where the money came from. Even Sherlock Holmes would give up halfway through and take up knitting. Step 3. Integration. Ta-da! The money is cleanish. Congratulations! Your filthy lucre now re-enters the economy, looking squeaky clean. It might. Buy luxury real estate? Nothing says innocent like a Miami mansion with 14 bathrooms. Fund a fancy restaurant that serves sushi on hoverboards. Be invested into stocks, art, an alpaca farm in Switzerland. Appear as totally legitimate income on your tax return, thanks to your business selling artisanal sand. By this point, your dirty money has been through more transformations than a contestant on Queer Eye. It's got new clothes, a fresh haircut, and a paper trail that leads to nowhere. It's now respectable, just like you, on paper at least. No one suspects a thing, unless you're bad at it and name your shell company. Definitely not illegal incorporated. Bonus: tools of the trade. Launderers might use shell companies, business entities that exist in name only, like imaginary friends for adults with trust issues. Hawala, an informal money transfer system that works entirely on trust and uncles. Offshore accounts, the financial equivalent of putting your secrets in a coconut and throwing it into the Bermuda Triangle. Crypto, because what's less traceable than a currency invented by someone named Satoshi, who may or may not be a time-traveling AI. The big reveal. Why go through all this trouble? Because spending dirty money directly is like showing up to a black tie gala wearing a ski mask and holding a sack labeled loot. You'll get attention, just not the kind you want. So you launder it, you scrub it, dress it up, give it a fake resume, and reintroduce it to society like, this is Bob. He's totally not from illegal arms dealing. He's in consulting. In short, money laundering is the process of turning, oops, I robbed a bank money into, let's invest in real estate money, with just a few magic tricks and possibly a fake mustache.